Well, a couple of days ago, I sent my broken DJI Mini for repair, and I was assuming they would, because they got back to me with a quote for 98 euros to fix it, and they said that that I installed the propeller incorrectly, quite possible because I got my son to do it, and they would fix the case of it. But when I got the my DJI Mini 3 back, I didn't expect it to be in a shrink case box. It's got the SD card. I forgot to take it out. It's got the SD card here. Well, the old SD card that was stuck in it, I suppose. But I'm a little bit astonished here. I'm assuming that if I open this box, it says over here, drone only. I'm assuming they just replaced it for 96 euros, and I think it's quite nice to do that. I think they replaced it, unless they shrink wrapped my old DJI Mini 3. Hold on, unboxing. Okay, this looks brand new. So yeah, like 96 euros, and they replaced the thing with a brand new one. I mean, that's absurd, isn't it? It's absolutely brand new. Well, thanks DJI. I didn't expect this kind of service, and it's absolutely brand new, this thing. So I got my batteries upstairs and my controller. I'm astonished. Cool, thanks. 96 euros or 98 euros. Brand new replacement.